Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, second year BTech AIML. So guys, today we are here to do the 30 days of Google Cloud program का first track, that is Cloud Engineering track 1, and उसका fifth batch, that is Build and Secure Network in Google Cloud का third वाला lab. So guys, let's get redirected towards our quick labs. By clicking this, we are into our quick lab. So guys, as we can see, we have performed earlier these labs, and now we have to perform our third lab named HTTP load balancer with Cloud Armor. So I will start here. So I will start the lab here, guys. Okay guys, our lab is starting over here. Okay, now open the console. I will copy the password from here simply, and I will use it for in another account thing, and I will enter. I will copy the password. I will press enter. I will basic Google terms and agreements, guys, and let's see our setups and requirement for this lab. Okay. Okay, what is our first task is configure HTTP health check firewall rules. Okay, for that we have to go into navigation menu, VPC network and firewall, and then okay, notice this existing ICMP eternal RDS firewalls. Each Google Cloud project starts with default network, and after that we have to create a firewall, and that firewall name is default allow HTTP. I will simply copy this, guys, from here, and let's get start with this basic terms and agreement, which will come right now. Okay, I will. So guys, in navigation menu we will go to VPC networks. Okay, well, let's see where is this VPC wala network. Okay, I will get it. Here it is, and from here, okay, it is here, and from here I will get into firewall. So guys, we are coming to our firewall rule base, and we are here, guys, and we can see some of these ICMP, RDH and SSH, RDP and SSH wala thing, and now we have to create a firewall rule. So I will click on firewall rule, and I will name this as, it is given over there, allow default allow HTTP, and network set to default, target specific. Okay, and I will copy this target tags. Okay, and I will copy this source IP ranges. Okay guys, and now over here specified protocol and ports. Okay, specified, and then check TCP type 80. Okay, I will check TCP and type 80 over here, and after that make sure, okay, I make sure, and I will create this firewall rule. Okay, request had invalid authentication. Okay, I will just refresh and log in it again. Huh, this come when they is asked to log in it again, so don't, no need to worry, just refresh it and log in your console again, guys. Okay guys, we are over here. Okay, I think we have to create it again because we had not created at that time. No issue, guys, no issue. I will simply paste it over here again, the name. Now guys, I will check on this TCP and type 80 over here, and I will click on create. ओके 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 हाँ गाइस, यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं आएगा, राइट? हाँ, अब सही है। हाँ, now I will click on create. As you can see, it is creating firewall rule for us. And okay, again, okay, wait guys, what is happening? Just I have to see it. Do I have created that firewall rule or not? Okay, wait a second guys, I will click here. Okay, let me see it that I have created or not. Okay guys, as you can see, we have already created. Okay, that name is default allow HTTP. From here, as you can compare it, all the thing as TCP 80. Okay, okay, allow, we have. Okay guys, we have created, so no need to create it again. Okay, create the health check firewall. Still in the firewall rules page, click create firewall rule. Okay, okay, now different health check वाला create करेंगे firewall rule. And now where specified protocol, and then check TCP. I will simply just check TCP over here, and I will click on create over here. As you can see, it is creating a firewall rules guys, and it's done guys. And I will check if this my process is done. We are done with this also. Now what we have to do, configure instance templates and create instance template. Okay, in compute engine we have to instance template, and we have to click on create instance template. Okay, here it is compute engine. Okay guys, instance template. Okay guys, we are heading toward it, and I will click on create instance template. Okay, इसे निकालते हैं. ओके, फॉर्मेट आएगा अभी यहाँ पे. सो फॉर नेम टाइप US East 1 template. Okay, for name I have to type this guys as US East 1 template. Okay, let it इसे आने देते तब तक. हाँ, this is the name, so I will simply paste it here. So the name is this. For series select N1, so your series should be N1. Okay, and click management security disk. Okay, okay, click management security over here. Now we are already in the management tab. Okay, under metadata specify the following. Under the metadata, okay, where it is, this is the metadata. Okay, guys, do as it is what I am doing. Okay, okay, after that we have to click on networking wala tag. Okay, wait guys, here from here I will click on. Okay, networking, set the following properties as default network, subnet as default US East 1, and I will copy this. default US East one. Okay, it is given here, right? US East one, and network tag as this HTTP server. The network tag HTTP ensure. Okay, now I will click on create. This will create an instance template over here. Wait for the instance template to be created. Now create another instance template. Okay, we have to create another instance template like that same, guys. Okay, we have to create one more. Okay, now create another instance template by copying US East one template. Okay guys, I think there is some option for copying, right? From there also we can copy, right? Okay, back चलते हैं. Okay, let's do this. Okay, first click on US East one template. We are over here and click on create similar, and after that for name type Europe West East one template. Okay guys, over here okay, click management and वहाँ पे नेटवर्किंग में जाके सबनेट, फॉर सबनेट यूरोप वेस्ट वन क्लिक चेक करेंगे. Okay, that's Europe West 1. Okay guys, we are here in the Europe West 1 wala part, and networking select. Okay, now I will click on create. Okay, click networking, create the manage instance group. Create a manage instance group in US1. Still in compute engine, click instance groups. Okay, we are still over here, so our instance group, let's select the instance group guys from here. Okay, create an instance group. Okay, let's set these following properties over here guys. Okay guys, configure zones and instance template region हमने US Eastern से, and instance template US instance template है. Okay guys, US East one template. Okay, from your US East one template, and after that auto scaling policy, click pencil icon, metric type. Okay, auto scaling policy. Okay, I have to click on this pencil icon, and pencil icon CPU utilization. Okay, metric type is, and target CPU utilization is 80. Here it is 60, so we have to change it to 80. And after that I have to click on done. Cooldown period 45, minimum number of instance 1 and 5. Okay, cooldown period is 45, minimum number of instance 1, and maximum number of instances 5. Okay guys, we are done with this also. Now I will click on create, and after that now repeat the same procedure. Click create instance group, set the following properties. Okay, again we have to do this for Europe West 1 MIG. Okay, let's copy this from here and let's create that one. Okay, we are over here. We will click here and CPU utilization 80 करेंगे. सेम है गाइस सब कुछ यहाँ पे भी जैसा उस वाले टेम्पलेट के लिए किया था. And we will click done. And 45 cooldown period is 45, minimum number of instance is 1, and this is 5. And after that I will click on create, and यूरोप वेस्ट 1 रीजन के लिए भी क्रिएट हो जाएगा ये गाइस. As you can see, something is loading over here. ओके गाइस, यहाँ पे इंस्टेंस ग्रुप एक बार देखते हैं कि यूरोप वेस्ट 1 रीजन क्रिएट हो गया है क्या. हाँ, हो गया गाइस. So now let's check it. We are done with this also. Now verify the backend. Still in. Okay, click VM instance in the left menu. Notice that. Okay, we will click on VM instance from here. Okay, we are here guys. Notice the instance does start with US East 1 and US West 1. Okay, click on the US East 1 MIG. Okay, I will click over US East 1 MIG external IP. Okay guys, we are over here. Write this. Okay, Europe West 1 MIG. Okay, we are over here guys. And now the host name and server. Which of these field identify the host name and server? Okay, the host name and server location. Okay guys, we are done with this. Now configure the HTTP load balancer. Okay guys, so for that click network services, navigation menu, network services, load balancing, then create load balancer. Okay, navigation, network services, where it is guys, network services, let's search it, where it is, network service, load balancing. Create a load balancer. Okay, under HTTP load balancing, click on start configuration, and HTTP is load balancing, start configuration. Okay guys, after that select from internet to my VMs and click continue. From internet to my VMs. Okay, I will click on continue. I clicked on continue guys, and after that something is loading here. Okay, set the name to HTTP IAV. Okay, okay, now backend configuration guys. Click on backend configuration. Okay, I will click on backend configuration. Okay, I am here. Now for backend services and backend bucket, like create a backend. Okay, services. Okay, create a. Okay, now services and backend bucket, click create a backend service. Create a backend service. Okay guys, we are here. Now set the following name as HTTP backend. ओके गाइस, ये सब देख लीजिए आप. बैलेंसिंग मोड रेट है, मैक्सिमम RPS 50, कैपेसिटी 100. बैलेंसिंग मोड रेट है, RPS है 50 and capacity is 100. It's already set. So I will click done, click add backend. I will click done and I will click add backend. Over here I will यूरोप ईस्ट वेस्ट के लिए कर लेते हैं अभी. Maximum backend utilization 80 and maximum backend utilization. इसमें maximum backend utilization करना है. उसका अलग था, राइट. इसमें पोर्ट नंबर इसमें अलग था, राइट. हाँ, इसमें RPS था, इसमें मैक्सिमम बैकएंड यूटिलाइजेशन है 80 है और कैपेसिटी 100 कर देंगे. यहाँ पे इसे हम सेट नहीं करते हैं, ये नहीं था तो रहने देते हैं इसे. मैक्सिमम RPS एंड पोर्ट हो गया. यूटिलाइजेशन, बैलेंसिंग मोड यूटिलाइजेशन, मैक्सिमम बैकएंड 80, कैपेसिटी 100. Click done. I will click on done over here, and after that for health check select create health check. For health check we will select create a health check wala part and set the following properties. Port TCP, port ATP already 80 है guys. Click save. Now I will click save over here and फिर उसके बाद check the enable logging box, set the rate sample rate to 1. Check the enable logging box and sample rate is already set to 1 guys, and after that click create to create the backend service. I will click create. We are done, almost done with this guys. And configure the front end. Click on front end configuration, where it is guys. I will click here, front end configuration, protocol HTTP. It's protocol. Name नहीं डालना इस पे, right. Specify the following: protocol HTTP, IP version IPv4. It's already there, and IP address FML and port is 80. It's already there, and after that click done, click add front end IP and port. Click done and add front end IP and port over here. IPv6 FML 80. IPv6 FML and 80, and after that I will click on done. After that guys, review and create HTTP load balancer. Click review and finalize. Over here review the backend service and front end. This is the backend service and front end guys, and click create. I will click create over here. So guys, now wait for the load balancer to be created. Click on the name of the load balancer, node tab, IPv4 and IPv4 for the next task they will be referred as. We have to node IPv4 and IPv6 addresses of the load balancer. Let this to be created. Guys, we had made this also. Now click on the name of the load balancer. We will click here. Okay. Okay, guys. Note the IPv4 and IPv6 address of the load balancer. For the next task, they will be referred to as. Okay, it's like where it is, guys. Okay, wait, let's see where it is. I think there's mentioned something over here. Is this that port? Note the address of the load balancer. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, it's like V4 and V6. Okay, I'm not getting. Okay, let's see in the monitoring wala part. Is it here? Okay, we are in the name. Click on the name of the load balancer. Okay, the load balancer is LB underscore IB. Okay, okay, it's V4 and it's. I think this is right. हाँ this यही होगा. Okay, guys, we are done with this. Now test that. Okay, true. Next is to test IPv4. Okay, okay, ये testing वाला part है. Okay, now stress test the HTTP load balancer. For that, in the console, navigate to Compute Engine and VM instance. Okay, we are over here. Compute Engine and over here VM instance it is, guys. And after that, we have to create an instance. Name Siege VM. US East 1, US West 1. The regions US West 1 CS, zone and series as N1. Create an instance. Okay, West East West 1 and US West 1C, and I will select this series as N1. And okay, okay, click create. Wait for the Siege VM instance to be created. Okay, I will click create. Okay, it is creating over here. हाँ हो गया. So for Siege VM, click SSH to launch a terminal. Okay, we have to run this following command in the SSH terminal. Copy this command. For this Siege VM, I will click here. Let's get connected to our SSH terminal, guys. Okay, guys, we are here. Okay, I pasted that command. After that, let's export it to store the IPv4 replacing with the IPv4 address. Okay. Okay, to store the IPv4 address. Okay. Okay, we are here, guys, and after that, to stimulate and load and run. Okay, the server is now under siege, as you can see this, guys. Okay, in the cloud console, click network services, load balancing, click backend, network services. यहाँ से नेटवर्क सर्विसेज ढूंढते हैं गाइस, यहाँ से लोड बैलेंसिंग, and after that click backends, click HTTP backends. ओके, लोड बैलेंसिंग में यहाँ पे आ गए हम लोग, यहाँ पे ओके, backends. Now HTTP backend. Okay, we are here. Monitor the front end location. Okay. Okay, let's monitor the front end location over here, guys. Okay, front end location like this one, guys. Okay, now press Control C to stop the siege. Control C. Okay, we have stopped it. Denihilate the siege VM. Use Cloud Armor to denihilate. Okay, okay. Navigation menu, Compute Engine, VM. Okay, navigation menu, Compute Engine, and VM. Okay, and over here, note the external IP of the siege VM. Okay, note this external IP of siege VM. Okay, guys, we are here, and after that, navigation menu, network security, Cloud Armor, navigation menu in network security, वाला part. Okay, Cloud Armor. Okay, and I will create a policy over here. Okay, and set the following values. Click next tab, click add rule, and over here property, enter the siege IP. कंडीशन में siege IP डाल देंगे guys. Okay, condition, okay, I had put this in condition wala part over here. ओके वेट गाइस, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन अलग है राइट, और ये कंडीशन अलग है. हाँ, एक्शन इज डिनाई. Okay, it's already denied. And 403 priority is 1000. Priority is 1000 and we are set with this guys. Okay, now click done. Now click done. Then after that, next step, click add target. Next step, click add target, and for type select load balancer backend service. For load balancer, okay, it's already selected. For target, select HTTP backend. Okay guys, we did this, and click create policy. I think we are done with this guys, and other policy is being creating over here with name deny list siege. And guys, please do as it is. What I am doing, and please don't deviate from the path, because sometimes it may be very much confusing for you all also. Okay guys, we are done with this also. Okay. So guys, here we completed our third lab also successfully, and I wanna thank you all guys for watching my video. Thank you so much guys watching my video. You can, if you want to give me any suggestions, give me in my comment box, or you can message me on my LinkedIn profile also. And now I think we should end the lab. Okay, and I wanna thank you all guys for watching my video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.